considered if your positive prejudices influence who you would collaborate with? Honestly consider, who would your ideal collaborators be? Let's look at the photos. Collaborate in technology. Who would you choose? As an accountant, who would you choose? As a social enterprise, who would you choose? And most importantly, why? Hello, I'm Suzanne F. Stevens, Conscious Contribution Cultivator for the YouMeWe Group. Welcome to weWednesdays, a short weekly video infusion of how to maximize your meaning by consciously contributing to your community, country, or beyond. You may assume someone is more capable than they are based on your bias or positive prejudice. When I was in Kenya, I met up with a 17-year-old girl who was white. She shared with me some of the work she was assisting with outside Nairobi. As the group was looking for solutions to a specific problem, one of the elders of the community sought out this young lady's perspective. He wanted her to answer the problem. Why? Not because she had the experience, nor because she demonstrated knowledge in this area, but as she describes it, is because she was white. Now, based on my experience, this was a common perspective in many countries in Africa my husband and I traveled to. To be completely transparent, this was a smart young lady. It was her that used the term positive prejudice, and it was me who felt this accurately depicted a broader issue, so I adopted her term. The problem with positive prejudice, it can create unrealistic expectations of someone based on our own biases. Do you demonstrate positive prejudice when someone has any of the below characteristics? Now really think about this. Consider if someone is white, attractive, male, tall, native English speaker, employed, first world, an adult, thin, no speech impediment, heterosexual, wealthy, intelligent, educated, Christian, able-bodied, mentally healthy, born in the country of residence, well-connected family, no criminal record, standard accent. Did I say wealthy? I think so. Support mainstream political party, and not a redhead. Well then, the world is your oyster, or at least people are biased to believe it is. The 7 steps to being a bias buster would definitely assist with positive prejudice biases as well. So revisit the previous weWednesday. When you're considering collaboration, the first impression should never be the last. Some of the most productive partnerships seem to start with some friction before being en route to being the most trusted relationship. You don't agree? Think about your personal relationships, particularly your special someone. Did you like them the first time you met them? Before you go, we all have positive prejudices. We treat people with privilege. This happens. How many of the above lists describe you? The more you are, the more people may see you as privileged and believe you are capable, whether you are or not. Only time will tell. Next week, we'll delve into what's in a name and how your bias can be a barrier to hiring the best candidate for the job. Well, we all have biases, but we also can do something about them. Until next time, make your contributions count.